The history of the brothers in Vietnam mirrors the country itself, both beautiful and painful. Today, the brothers' schools have been virtually taken over by the government, but the restrictions are lessening day by day. This is the brothers' Taberd School, which prior to the war served 6,000 students. Today, it's a government school with less than 2,000 students. The brothers' community has been allowed to live in small rooms on top of the school. A testament to their tenacity and spirit is this large classroom on the roof of the building. The brothers went to the government and asked permission to repair the leaking roof of one wing of the Taberd School at their own cost. After 3 years, they received that permission. They proceeded to build the new roof, 18 feet above the old roof, surround it with walls, and suddenly there were several new classrooms. At the Duc Minh School in central Ho Chi Minh City, the brothers operate a school for scooter repair, a computer learning center, and have a boarding school providing shelter for poor students from rural areas coming to study in Ho Chi Minh. They even have an English language training center in the basement of one of their schools. Near Ho Chi Minh, the brothers operate the Jamway School, which began as a hut, now used as a chapel. The school, thanks in part to help from the San Francisco district, now has several classrooms for local refugee Catholic families from North Vietnam. At Tan Chang, the brothers have their renewed novitiate. Here, former students provide classes for local poor children. Novices attend classes and provide for all their own needs, from cooking to cleaning. The new scholasticate at Mai Tan has been built with the generous help of different sectors of the Institute from around the world. It will replace the aged facility there and provide a wonderful center for brothers and a retirement facility for the retired brothers who have given so much to the brotherhood in Vietnam. The brothers provide administration and instructors to CTIE, or Christ the Teacher Institute for Education, which is located in Nairobi and is dedicated to preparing teachers for the Catholic secondary schools of English-speaking Africa. The goal of the institute is to both prepare secondary school teachers in their profession and inspire in them a sense of teaching as a vocation. The brothers also operate a novitiate on the outskirts of Nairobi, which provides basic Lasallian education for young English-speaking African novices and prepares them for life in community. The present scholasticate in Nairobi provides community living for many young brothers from across Africa as they're studying at CTIE. Here, too, brothers from many cultures speaking many languages learn to live in community. The present scholasticate will soon be replaced by this extensive new facility less than half a mile away, with excellent living quarters and a large conference center and library. There is a brothers community at Kangemi, providing several teachers to the school there, and an hour outside of Nairobi is the boarding school at Rongai. Many of the boys educated at Rongai are from the local villages. However, others board at the school. Classes are taught in everything from science to computers to religion. Additionally, the boys work in agriculture extensively, preparing them for life in their villages. This is just a sample of the work of the brothers and their colleagues across Asia and Africa. It is in support of works such as these that we recognize our common bond and mission for Lasallian education in the world today, and our solidarity with Lasallian educators around the world.